show these guys who's the boss.
Absolutely.
An amazing team of girls. Whoa, what was that?
We're the real bosses here.
A wild team of boys. But they got their share too. Let the battle begin.
Enough! This is my kitchen!
Sorry.
We're sorry, ma'am.
Prove me who's the best among you. The first challenge, cocktails. Time starts now.
Yeah.
Come on, go, go, go.
With this? No. This needs some real preparation. Good thing I took a couple of bartending lessons.
Now that's a serious approach.
Just like that. This glass? No. Use this one here. Let's add some ice.
The boys started with the basics of bartending.
Just like that.
Yeah, a little syrup never hurt anyone. Some cherry berries, orange and pineapple, a bit of pear, but something is still missing. Well, the guy got thirsty. Nothing wrong with that.
This goes here.
Beautiful. Truly a feast for the eyes.
Just like that.
Delicious.
Wonderful.
It's time to cook. Good job, girls. You better catch up with the boys or victory won't be yours. Turn it on. Full power. Blend it all up.
The key is to do it
With love. Love is great, girls. But love alone won't feed the chef. Good job, girls. It must be awesome. Delicious.
and I know how to make it amazing.
Yeah, an extra mouth and eyes never hurt anyone. And the horn and ears complete the look perfectly.
Super amazing.
Delicious. Well, that will be up to the super chef to decide.
Your time is up.
Well, chef, time to taste the dishes. The brave boys go first. Oh, looks like chef isn't too happy about something.
It's too cold.
The boys didn't impress her. Let's see what the girls have in store. Seems like she's taking a liking to the unicorn.
This is amazing, girls.
Congratulations to the round winner.
Yay! Next round, you have to make me a juicy burger. Time starts now.
A burger in 5 minutes. I think everyone should manage.
And go, go, go.
Burgers! Well, that's easy. We've totally got this!
Go for it, guys. I'm rooting for you.
How about we add some oil?
Ben, are you sure that's just a little?
1, 2, 3.
I have a feeling this isn't their best idea. See? I told you. Fire! Okay, the key here is not to panic.
Save yourselves who can!
Yeah, staying calm is definitely not our chef's strong suit. Well, at least they put out the fire, so there's that. Oops. Yeah, the boys probably won't make it in time now. How are the girls doing? Let's paint the buns, each in different color. Not bad, not bad.
Amazing!
I wonder, does she even know any other words?
Delicious!
Well, at least it's something different. All right, girls, it's all in your hands. Beautiful! Look at the colors. Time to decorate it. Girls, you don't even have to try too hard. This is already better than the boys' burnt patty. Victory is in the bag. Mika, watch your teeth. Nobody likes the dentist. This is the way to do it. Yeah, listen to Mabel. She knows how to handle chocolate. Fire? Did you not see how things ended for the boys?
Amazing!
Wait! Be careful! Exactly. Gummy candy and sweet syrup. What could be better?
Amazing!
Yeah, Mika, I won't argue. It turned out great. Delicious! Look at these mess makers. They just cleaned up, and time is almost up.
The time. Don't you worry, we've got this.
Oh, that's a clever move. The doctor arrived just in time.
Lettuce. Just like that. Patty. Just like that. Bacon! Quick! Just like that. Cheese! Just like that. Veggies! Just like that. Ketchup!
Let the assistant have a taste at least.
Just like that. Just like that.
Wow, props to the doctor. He made it under a minute.
Just like that.
Time's up!
All right, guys. Show the chef what you have made. Trying the girls' dish first.
Not amazing!
What a disaster. It looked so good. But that's why she's the chef. She knows best. What about the boys' dish? Let's hope she gives them the credit they deserve.
Just like that!
So size does matter to the chef.
There is no time to relax. You have to make me some noodles.
Here we go, the final round with such a tough dish.
Time starts now!
Let's prepare the noodle dough.
Amazing!
What are they up to now? Let's add an egg.
I have an amazing idea.
Nice strike, Mika. Have you taken karate? That dough turned out so soft. Now we just need to turn it on.
Amazing!
This is how the girls grind their enemies. Poor boys. Oh, wow! Speaking of the boys, what's going on over there? Let's see.
They're taking forever. We've got a better way.
Oh, wow, guys. This is some kind of a life hack. Let's see how they managed to cook it. This is truly an experiment.
Chef likes it spicy.
Whoa, guys! Are you sure about this?
Let's add more pepper instead.
Yeah, not the best idea either. See? Don't say I didn't warn you. This could be a real spicy bomb.
Maybe that's enough. Yeah, agreed.
Well, girls, these guys are on fire. Be careful with them. Delicious. Just a few more veggies. And it's ready to be served.
Let's add some cheese.
Cheese never hurts, unlike pepper. Right, boys? What are they thinking about?
This here should help.
What a disaster. I don't envy the chef.
Time's up.
Chef, please start with the girls' noodles. It's the safer choice. I think Chef likes the dish, but let's wait for the final verdict.
Not bad, not bad. Now let's try yours.
Oh, I can't watch this. Oh no, you've awakened the dragon. Be careful!
The girls win! Oh yeah! Cool!
Congratulations to the girls on a well-deserved victory.